Alright, mateys. You know, it's summertime. It's grilling time. It's beach time and island time. So tonight, we're gonna make a grilled island style chicken. At least my version of it. Here's all we're gonna need. First thing we're gonna do is take our bowl and we're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of minced onions, some brown sugar, minced walnuts, about a tablespoon here of garlic powder, red pepper or cayenne pepper, just a few dashes of ginger, a little bit of salt, and some soy sauce. So I have all my seasonings in here, and if you have fresh ginger, that would even be nicer. I'm just going to blend this together, and we're using chicken thighs tonight, boned out chicken thighs. I'm here at North Point Marina in Rock Hall, and they happen to have free gas grills that you can use for the slip holders. And that's what we're going to do after this marinades for about at least 20 minutes. I'm probably going to do it for about an hour. If you have a plastic bag, if you want to use a plastic bag to put that in, I just don't like using a lot of plastic. So every half hour or 20 minutes, I'm going to come back, reach into the refrigerator, flip these over. All right, guys, we're back, huh? That's been about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and I've been marinating the chicken, flipping it over. Where I'm out here at the pavilion now at North Point, where the grills are. And to accompany this island chicken, I'm going to do grilled corn, and nothing says island meal like ramen noodles, right? Okay, maybe not. But here's how we put all this together. Okay, so we all know ramen noodles, easy peasy. Now the key to grilling here though is make sure you get the grill hot. This might even be a little overheated. I'm going to turn this down just a touch. We're showing 500, 400 would probably really be good. Turn that down a little bit. And you see that's kind of soaked in a little bit. You're not going to have a lot of, really the onion and the walnut is more, you're going to get that flavor. Okay, yeah, I got it a little hot. That's all right. Now the key to, again here guys, is I'm going to rinse this bowl off and I'm going to rinse this out, wash these tongs. You don't want to take this raw broth, that you're just going to throw away. And we're going to let that simmer or roast for a little bit and flip it over. And now I'm going to put my corn on, and let me move this just a little bit. There we go. I put a little bit of butter on the corn. Get that started. When I said earlier you got to rinse these tools and the bowl out, you got to wash it out. I did it with soapy water. You can't just rinse this. You know, we're dealing with poultry here. Want to make sure we don't make anybody sick while we're cooking. And looking at this recipe now, I'm thinking, you know, we could have put a little bit of oil in with that mix, and that would make this a little easier to flip. We just want to brown our corn a little bit on each side. Doesn't take long to cook corn. And some people take and soak it in the husk and then they cook it. Well, really all you're doing there is you're just steaming the corn. This is actually grilling the corn. I think we're about ready, guys. As you notice, I've tried to keep the temperature right in that 400 range. It's gone up, it's gone down a little bit. And I didn't time it, but I would say it's been at least 14 minutes on the chicken thighs. Look at that corn, that is gorgeous. So now we're ready to plate it up and eat. Well, there you have it, guys. Until next time, happy and safe boating, and bon appetit.